So, scoop yourself down, stay, bring the bar to your thighs, bring the bar up to your chest and roll all the way out. Go all the way back, at the same time you go all the way out. With your bar is extended, your head is back. Then come up, Christy. Down, into the thighs, up into the chest. Now roll out and extend. Now the arms, hold. You're all the way back here. Lift. And then go into yourself, and now bring it back, and all in one motion, go back, the head's back, the arms are long. Stop, now stay there. Bring the bar to your chest, look down at the bar, push the bar along your thighs and all the way out, and hold. Come all the way back. Go back in one motion, all the way back, touch the top of your head. Now bring the bar to you. Now look at it and press it down, all the way down, 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 and out. And one more time. Go back nice and strong. Make it strong. All the way back, top of the head touches. Okay, bring the bar in. Now look down and push it away from you. And go all the way out. It's not a gentle exercise. And stop. Stop there with chest expansion. Move back a little bit. Okay, now we're going to do chest expansion. So press down. Grow so tall, taller, 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 and then come back. And again, and press, and hold, 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 and then, now press down and hold because we're going to turn the head to the right first. We're going to turn the head to the right nice and loosely. Come center, turn to the left, and center and lift. Now next time come down, we'll turn to the left first. Now turn the head 180, turn. Come center, turn, come center, and lift. 2 more sets, and we go down. Now turn the head all the way, look over your shoulder. Come center, look over the other shoulder. Come center, lift the bar, last time, and we press down. Now we look to the left. We come center, we look to the right. We come center, and we lift. Okay, ladder bow.